14th day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is, can I express my gratitude or appreciations to someone in English? Yes, of course. So let's learn how to express our gratitude and appreciation to someone. Well, thank you so much for your support and kindness. Your help means the world to me. I'm truly grateful to you and I'm so lucky to have you. Your kindness, your generosity, your thoughtfulness have made a big difference in my life, and I want to know more about how to be grateful for you. Your positivity and encouragement inspire me a lot to keep going on even when the things get tough. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I want to express my heartfelt thanks for everything you do for me. Your kindness has touched my heart in a way I can't even express my thoughts. Thank you.